These random facts will make you feel a little smarter. 1. People say, "Bless you," when you sneeze because when you sneeze, your heart stops for a millisecond. 2. If you start counting from 1, then 1000 is the first number in which the letter A occurs. 3. Marie Curie is the only person to earn a Nobel Prize in 2 different sciences. Physics in 1903 and chemistry in 1911. 4. The sentence, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog," uses every letter in the English language. 5. Polar bears have black skin. Their fur isn't white, it's hollow. So it appears white as it reflects light. 6. The pound cake got its name because the original recipe required a pound each of butter, flour, sugar and eggs. I hope you learned something new today. Please share your knowledge, and have a great day.